Hi, my name is Amy Taylor, and I am the elementary physical education teacher in Whitmore Lake. I am also the Builders Club advisor, and that is a group of 5th and 6th graders that do community service and do wonderful things for their school. I'm also the safety coordinator here, and I just saw the best assembly that I've ever seen. And I've been teaching for 25 years. And I sat with a room full of 4th, 5th, and 6th graders, and you could not hear a pin drop. It was so impactful. And yes, I did cry several times. There are several kids that cried because it was such a wonderful message that touched their hearts. And the beginning, it was a little hard to hear. It was about people that are in pain. But from that pain comes great things. And I highly recommend this assembly. Every school should have a program like this. It's very inspiring and very important, and I believe it helps not only children but adults. Everybody is impacted in some way or another from bullying, and this was the best assembly, the most heartfelt, and I cannot recommend it any higher than I am.